All right, today we are going to talk about how to set up modules in your Canvas course. So once you get to your Canvas dashboard, you will click on the course that you are wanting to work on. So I'm going to scroll down and go to my Sandbox 2 course because that is where I'm going to work at today. Once you're in your Sandbox course or your course that you're working in, if you look right here on the left, this is your course navigation. And somewhere in this list, you should see the words modules. And so if you click on modules, there's nothing there. So let's talk about what a module is. So a module is a home for similar notes, activities, quizzes, and you can set them up in many ways. So it could be that they're similar because they all fall within the same week. And so your module header is that current week. You could do that. They all are similar because they fall under the same unit or standard. And your module name could be the unit or standard. You could do it because they all fall within the same novel. And then your header for that module would be the novel. So it's up to you how you want to set up your modules. You can do it many different ways. I'm going to show you a few things on what you can do with your modules. So once you are to your modules page in Canvas in your course, then you can come up here and hit the blue plus module button. Mine's blue because it is the color of one of your school colors. And I'm working in Granite Falls Middle School, so mine is blue. Then you're going to give it a name. So let's say that you're going to do yours by unit. So I'm going to call this Unit 1. Now, I can lock Unit 1 until a certain day. So if we're not going to start Unit 1 until, let's say, the second week of school, then I can put that as Tuesday, September 5th, and it would unlock Tuesday, September 5th at midnight, like in the morning of September 5th. And I can add that module. So now I have a module there, and we can see right here in the bottom right that it will unlock September 5th at 12 a.m. Okay. Now, there are a lot of different things that you can do to help your students understand the modules. So if I wanted to edit the name, I can click the three dots and hit edit. And then I can click in there and edit the name. So if you right click, then you have this window that pops up, copy paste all that. But you can add in emojis. So like if you wanted to add the number 1 in there, you could do a 1. Just make it fun. Usually some visuals help your students understand what you're trying to do. Let's say you wanted to do it by weeks. You would just come up here and hit plus module. Then you could say week 1, August 28th through the 31st. And I can add that module. When we were in there, if you click these three dots and hit edit, you could see, oh, this is new. It says add prerequisite. So if we hit add prerequisite, then if you want them to have to complete Unit 1 before they can move on to week 1, then you could do that here and hit update module. Then you have that prerequisite there of Unit 1. And they have to complete that first module of Unit 1 before week 1, August 28th, would open up for them. So there's a few different things you can do with your modules there. To publish your module, you just hit this circle with the line through it, and that turns it to a green circle with a check in it to publish it. And then you would house all of your assignments, quizzes, etc. inside the module. To do that, you can hit the plus button in the module. And from here, you can choose assignment, quiz, file, pages, discussions. You can add in headers, etc. You can see that I don't have anything created because this is a blank sandbox course. So let's say I wanted them to do an assignment. I could actually create the name of the assignment here and I'm just going to call this assignment 1. And I can indent if I want to. I'm not going to right now. And then I can hit add item. So you can see up here under Unit 1, it created that assignment for me. And if I click on that, then that takes me into where I can edit that assignment. You can also create the things before you add them into your module, or you can do it the way that we just did it. But that is kind of how you set up your modules and add things to them. And we'll talk more about how to create assignments, quizzes, etc. later, and then how to add those into those modules as we do them.